mentality of a lion, the mentality of David as you go into your examination period. Having trust in yourself, self-belief, and knowing that I can do it is going to help you. It's going to be your voyage to push you into success. Have you heard of a man called Napoleon Hill? That guy one time said, whatever the mind of a person can conceive and believe, that mind can achieve all of them. Whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Amen? Amen. Whatever your mind can conceive and believe, you can achieve. Have you heard of a man called Muhammad Ali? Yes. Muhammad Ali one time said that champions are not made in the gyms. Champions are made from something that's deep inside them. A belief, a will, something in you that's bigger than you, that's bigger and larger than your circumstances, that's bigger and larger than people's opinions, that's bigger and larger than your past, your family background, than your size. So it's not about how you look like, whether you are short, whether tall, whether small, whether from a poor family. That does not matter. What matters is the invisible we cannot see, but is in you. That's what's going to push you to succeed. He said, winners or champions have two things. You must have a will, you must have the skill or talent. You must have the knowledge that you have been studying it, but you must have the will on top of what you have been cramming, what you have been reading, what the teachers have taught you. You must have also the will inside you. But he said, the will must be greater than the skill. The will must be greater than the notes in your head. You must have the will, the self-belief. I want you to go into your exams with more will, aware that you can do it. Amen? Amen. That's my third point. Fear can kill your will. Fear can kill your success. So, fear, and overcome it. You have been actually, for you have broken a record 5 years in the O level. You are blessed, you have more experience than other people. You are more experienced in being in the O level than any other in the history of Uganda. So, don't fear. Don't fear. Overcome the fear. Be more confident. Amen? Be more confident. Believe more in yourself. Have you heard the second reading? Paul was telling Timothy, because Timothy was challenging. Timothy was fearing that the spirit you received is not a spirit of timidity, not a spirit of fear, not a spirit of cowardice. You received a spirit of power, a spirit of power, a spirit of love. You have power in you to kind of conquer and succeed. In Mpigi parish, I found a Surat al-Fatiha in the Quran. Is the first chapter of the Quran. They talk about Allah in 7 verses. They call him the sovereign of recompense. They call him the Lord of the worlds. They call him the Creator, the entirely merciful, especially merciful. And for us Catholics, we call him Namugereka Lugava Dunda. We call him omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent. He's the God. Why can't you pray to him? This is the God of those great men you have heard about. God of Abraham, God of Isaac, God of Jacob, God of Daniel, God of these 3 men who are put in the tunnel, the Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Is the God of Elisha. You heard him how he healed Naaman. That's the God of Jesus. That's the God. Why can't you talk to him? I've seen miracles happening. I've seen women who are saying, Father, I've not been able to give birth for 7 years. You pray for them and they give birth. I've seen women, 3 of them, who come and say, my womb now is 10 months. I get my cross, pray over them, they give birth in 2 days, 3 days. I've seen these miracles happen with our eyes. That God believe in him, he will take you through. How? Pray to him every day. Do what I do. When I Before I go to the bathroom, is to talk to God. From tomorrow, pray for yourself every day. Pray in the religion of your parents. That God they have taught you. The God of your father, the God of your mother, the God of your guardian is your God as one. When you talk to you, he will align and fight for you. I want to wish you all the